Hi guys, I'm Renee. I'm a physician assistant that works with Oneida Health. We just wanted to share with you an idea we started using in our hospital to help extend the longevity of our N95 masks. It's a common issue of how do you get a mask on and off, where do you put it, and how do you do that in a fashion that keeps it as clean as possible. The current common method is using the brown paper bag. It has its own issues, handling the mask with your own hands, taking it on, taking it off, placing it in the bag, which is great. It does keep it from getting contaminated from the environment, but the bag itself becomes contaminated. The strings that are around your hair or hairnet then end up inside the mask, also contaminating your mask. So this was a solution that we saw and we started using that we found helpful and just wanted to share with you. It's as simple as a Tupperware. We just drilled holes along the sides of it to allow for some ventilation. It allows you to handle your mask, taking it on and off without ever having to touch the mask. And I'll just demonstrate for you really quick. So you place the mask up to your face. Mask is on, never touched. After each use, we do like to take a Sani wipe and then wipe down the Tupperware itself as well as the lid to, again, decrease any risk of contamination. And then it goes off just as easy as it came on. Hope you found that helpful. Stay safe.